All right, this is our second grade math topic for assessment. We've already done the assessment and now we're going through and correcting it together. Kelly has 46 beads. Her sister gives her 28 more beads. How many beads does Kelly have now? So she had 46 plus 28 beads. 4 plus 6 is 14. Regroup, 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7. So she has a total of 74, which is D. All right, let's take a look at number 2, which is the same amount as 45 plus 38. So 45 plus 38. So 5 plus 8 is 13. We're going to regroup. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 83, but we're also going to take a look at some of the other ways we could do it. So we know it's 83. We know it's definitely not going to be 93. Okay, 40 plus 30 plus 5 plus 8. Yep, that will work. And then 70 plus 13 if we did some partial sums. So the first three are correct. Let's look at number 3. Do you have to regroup to find each sum? Choose yes or no. Do we have to find the answers for each of these? No. We're seeing if we have to regroup. So we're going to look at the ones place numbers. And if when we add them together, they're 10 or larger, we have to regroup. If they're 9 or under, we don't. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So no, we don't need to regroup those. 2 plus 9 is 11. Yes, we need to regroup those because it is larger than 10, or 10 or larger. 7 plus 0 equals 7. So no, we don't have to regroup that one. And 3 plus 9 is 12. Yep, that's 10 or larger, so we do need to regroup that one. Let's look at number 4. Circle the addition problem that you can use regrouping to solve. Then explain how you know. So we're going to be looking at the ones place. 0 plus 9 equals 9. Nope, that's not 10 or higher. 4 plus 8 is 12. Yep, that is higher. Let's see, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we're definitely going to be doing this one. Now, does it say that you have to solve the problem? Nope. We just have to say that we know we have to regroup. Then explain how we know. I know that 4 plus 8 equals 12, and that is a number 10 or larger. Okay? And again, you can put it in your own words, but we just know that we have to add those together. We know that 12 is 1 10 and 2 1s. All right, let's go ahead and go to our back page of the assessment here. Let's take a look at what we have. All right. Ryan has 57 stones in his collection. Joy gives him 15 more, so we know we're adding. How many stones does Ryan have now? So we had 57 plus 15. Again, you learned so many different strategies on how to add, so you're going to pick whatever strategy you would like. I'm going to just stack them and add them. 7 plus 5 is 12, a 2 in the ones place, regrouping a group of 10s. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, so we have a sum of 72 total stones that Ryan now has. Let's look at number 6, which is the same amount as 13 plus 8 plus 7. 13 plus 8 plus 7. So let's take a look at this. We've got 13 plus 8 plus 7. Let's see if we can do some grouping. What if I do 13 plus 8? 13 plus 7 is 20 plus 8, so that one would work. Let's see, 10 plus 10 plus 8. Let's see, that would also be the same because it also equals 28. Let's see, 18 doesn't work and our sum was 28. So there are 3 of them on there. And you can check 13 plus 7, you already know is 20 plus 8. But you could also break up this 20 into 10 plus 10 plus 8. All right, let's take a look at number 7. One zoo has 26 dolphins. Another zoo has 53 dolphins. A third zoo has 7 dolphins. How many dolphins in all? Show your work. All right, so I'm going to do 26 plus 53 plus 7. Now, it's important on this one that we have our ones lined up, okay? And then, look, I can make a 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 6 in the one place. Regroup that bundle. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. So they have a total of 86 dolphins. All right, let's take a look at number 8. Faith has 23 shells. 23 shells. Then she finds 19 more, plus 19 more shells. 19 more knows we're adding. Faith gives 10 of the shells to a friend. Uh-oh, let's take a look at this. 10, we know we're subtracting. So let's do this first part here. 23 plus 19. 3 plus 9 is 12. We'll regroup. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4, so that's 42. Now it says Faith gives 10 of the shells away to a friend. So 42 minus 10, 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So there are a total of 32 shells that she has left. We really had to pay attention on that one to make sure we followed the right equation and made sure that we chose the right symbols, that we knew if we were adding or subtracting. All right, let's go ahead and go on to our second page of the assessment. All right, part A, find the sum, show your work. Then the most important part is we're going to tell how we found our sum. We're going to use our words to write it out. All right, I am looking for groups of 10 or some doubles facts. Let's see, I can do 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then let's take a look. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have a total of 25 ones. I can't put 25 ones in my ones column. I can only put 1, 5, and then my 2 bundles right here. All right, and then let's add this up. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So we have a total of 85. Now we're going to tell how we found this sum, and you can put it in your own words. I'm going to say first I added the ones. First I added the ones and got 25. And got 25. I regrouped the 2 tens, right? The 2 tens, and then I added to get a sum of 85. All right, let's take a look at number 10. Ms. Wise has 12 tablets. Then she gets 9 more tablets. Okay? We're going to stop just right here. I know we did this before. So she has 12 and she gets 9 more. 12 plus 9 equals 21. Miss Wise has 20 students in her class. She gives each student 1 tablet. How many tablets does she have left? So she had 21. She gives away 20 tablets, right? Because she has 20 students in her class. 21 minus 20 equals 1. So she has 1 tablet left. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our back page here. Okay, here we go. Pearl has 8 medals. Grace has 9 medals. Timmy has 6 medals. How many medals do they have in all? Lets us know we're going to be adding. So we have to add those all together. So let's see, it's really asking us 8 plus 9 plus 6 equals something. So let's see, I'm going to put a couple of them together. Let's see, I'm going to add these 2 first. I know that 8 plus 9 is 17, and 17 plus 6, 7 plus 6 is 13. Regroup, 1 and 1 is 2. So there's a total of 23 medals. All right, number 12. Match each number card to an equation to find the missing addend. Remember, that's just a number we use when we add. Draw lines to match. Then write the missing addend in the gray box. So we know from what we did already in class, this is going to be 7, 8, 5, and 6. And then we need to draw lines. So this is 5 to 5, 7 to 7, 6 to 6, 8 to 8. Okay, and then number 13. Corey has 17 more marbles than Tony. Does he have 17 marbles? Nope, he has 17 more than Tony. Tony has 64 marbles. How many marbles does Corey have? So we know Tony has 64 marbles and Corey has plus 17 more marbles. So now we're going to go through and we're going to add those up. I'm going to just come over here and go 64 plus 17. 4 plus 7 is 11. I'm going to regroup. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So we have 81. So we have a total of 81 marbles. Great job, everybody.